大家好，今天我们来聊一聊西门子 NS1863。NS1863 的话，近期已经有发布了正式版。然后我们来看一下它有什么新的功能呢？首先，西门子 NS1863 安装完以后，它显示的图标是这个它现在直接显示的是 NS 然后我们双击点击打开 OK， 它会有一个欢迎页面。这边它有显示一些新的功能What's new？ 第一个 NS Virtually 其实是 VI 的设计就是说它提供了 VI 的功能来提供给设计师去设计。你可以看一下它简单的介绍。
NX Virtual Reality is an integrated tool that lets you experience your model in a 3D environment and perform real-time analysis and immersive design review in a virtual session. Use the VR headset, hand controllers, and menu-driven tools to conduct your review. For example, laser select ruler, and add measurements to your model. Cut cross-sections, through parts or assemblies. Use the paint tool, to highlight areas where you want further review. And save your annotated views as snapshots for other reviewers, and later recall. For more on NX Virtual Reality, click the links below.
可以看出这个功能还是很强大的它给设计者一个 VI 的环境，让你身临其境的去做一些设计修改，或者是一些这个设计的体验然后第二个功能就是在测量上面有一些提升我们可以看一下它这个介绍，就是说它有别于 NS8.5 这种一些比较传统的测量比较不方便然后 NS1863 的话，它这个地方已经直接升级了，这个测量方式更接近于 SolidWorks 的这种测量应该是非常的直观直接了。
The newly consolidated measure command makes it easy to analyze objects and save your results. Let's look at just some of the efficiency gains you'll get with the new measure. Hover over an object to display a tooltip with basic measurements for the object. Select an object to see all measurements of interest in a single view. When I select 2 points, the software infers the minimum distance between them. Within Measure, you can select or create vectors for projected measurements, draft angle analysis, or other angles. From the Measure Scene dialog, create annotations and associative measurements. Here's my annotation. And here's my associative feature. The new Measure command also lets you create geometry, like a center of gravity point of reference. For more about Measure, click the help link below.
好，接下来我们来看一下它另外一个新功能就是在Convergent Modeling 这一块你看一下它这个有一些
Enhancements in NX Convergent Modeling help you take full advantage of both additive and traditional manufacturing techniques. The new Remesh Facet Body command lets you completely remesh sheet and solid convergent facet bodies. Denser meshes produce higher quality topology that you can use in downstream design tasks. Enhanced facet selection filters help you differentiate regions so that you can turn neutral parts with no topology into parts with meaningful topology. You can view a temporary deviation map. Check the deviation between the original bodies and the remeshed bodies. For more on these and other convergent enhancements, click the links below.
OK， 接下来一个非常重要的功能就是 PMI 的更新。这一个的话，对设计者对 3D 展示这一块其实非常的便捷，而且它可以直接导成 3D 的 PDF。这个功能的话，应该集成度非常的高了。这种对用户的体验也是非常的棒，而且它这个 PMI 的话，我们后续介绍一下，这个 PMI 直接可以在 3D 里面标注好尺寸，然后通过 NS 的这个制图模块可以一次性输出2D 图，不需要重复标注。这种可以说是非常前沿的一种技术。好，我们看一下它官方的介绍 你看一下
Let me
它展
highlight
示的
just
是
two of multiple PMI enhancements in this release. First, the new PMI compare command lets you find PMI changes across part versions in both native and Teamcenter NX. The compare PMI command uses HD 3D markers to indicate PMI that has changed. Right-clicking on an HD 3D marker lets me see the type of change. In this case, I see that the change is to the associated objects, and bears further investigation. Second, you can now publish a technical data package that shows your 3D model, with all your PMI, in a 3D PDF. Anyone can examine your model, without knowledge of NX. With PMI, arranged in the model views from your part. Select PMI. And notice that the PDF highlights the associated surface. 3D measurement tools are available to interrogate the model. You can share your information on any device that supports the PDF format. For more on these, and other PMI enhancements, click the links below.
可以看得到，就是说 PMI 它把这个3D 图直接导出 PDF 以后，作为一个制图能力或者说 3D 的这种想象力不是很好的人的话，它对这个模型的展示是非常的直接的。OK， 接下来我们看一下它在 CNC 模块的这一些新功能啊，你看一下它这里有一些
ISV now offers an interactive mode that you can use to check for gouges and collisions. When a machine code-based simulation is stopped for any reason, the new interactive mode opens. Use the sliders to move components along an axis. As I drag the slider, notice that NX highlights the colliding components.
这是一些碰撞检查。然后它
For more on this, and other ISV enhancements, click the links below.
还有一个比较重要的更新就是这个 3D 打印这一块啊，真材制造。
Here are 3 standout enhancements to NX additive manufacturing. First, you now have better control over start points of deposition layers. By staggering layer start points, or seams of material, notice that I start each layer at a distance back from the previous start point. Second, you can reduce excessive machine motion between areas, and control material cooling, using the new Merge Path Additive Program subtype. In this case, I create 3 deposition levels at a time, in the areas I'm building up. And finally, use the new Curve Additive Build-Up Operation subtype, to create a deposition structure along a guide curve like this. The curve can be vertical, non-vertical, linear, or non-linear. For more on each of these enhancements, click the links below.
OK， 好，这就是 NS1863在功能上一些具体的一些这个更新哈，还有一些它这个 NS1863的话，在这个界面上哈，界面上有一些更改哈，还有一些把这个菜单啊都放在这边左侧这边来了哈，然后这边有追加一些东西。当然，这个它应该是总体来说，这个使用性能会更好啊，还有追加一些触控的方式啊。后期我们来介绍这个东西哈，就是介绍这个版本。为什么介绍 NS8.5？ 其实 NS8.5 的话，它对这个整体的界面应该是非常经典的一个过渡啊，所以我所要做的就是把这种基础的这个使用的一些这个技能哈。分享给大家，或者跟大家一起来交流。希望通过这种模式，让大家能有所长进，或者是应该说是有所学识吧，或者说得到一些新的技能，就是说一起来互动学习。然后后续我会在这个模块里面追加一些NS 编程这一块哈，慢慢的会把这个NS 所设计的模块慢慢的拓展开来。好，今天我们主要介绍这些。好，如果喜欢我的视频，点击视频右下方的订阅按钮。感谢大家的收看，再见。